Morning guys, October 27, 2025. This one I gotta go change a boiler out for a guy. And it's a little gas boiler. He lives there with his mother, taking care of his mother. I gotta go over there and swap it out. I'll try to get you some shots if I can. Alright, that's the one that's coming out there. He had a flood. Water came up to, they said as high as that. Flooded the whole thing. So it's got to go anyway. It's old. I'm going to put it this way, right in. She's coming out, Mama. Alright, I'm putting the return together. There's a supply coming out here. It's got this weird block on it. I got it set in here. It's going. I'll have to clean up all this stuff, but first, third, second, that's the way it's going to be. First, third, second. I'm going to have to do something with this. I'm not sure yet, but we're going to clean it up. We're going to build all that, and then we'll worry about this later. But these here, I'm using two of these. They do have a built-in check valve. But the one that comes with the unit, I gotta put a check valve in this one. I don't think that this one comes with a check valve. It's gotta go on the bottom part. I gotta take it out. But I do have a check valve here for it. Flow check. And I also got flow checks up there, but I'm gonna put one in here. And the one that comes with the unit. I gotta flip this motor over. This one does. These two that were here, they're relatively new. They have check valves. See, the check valve just pushes right in there. And these are going to be on the return, so I got to put this so it's down. That's the one that comes with the boiler. I don't come with a flow check. This has got to be spun, and I can get to the back and pull the motors out if we have to, right? Yeah, everything like this will be boom, boom, boom. Tip them on a little bit of an angle so you can get them out, and you can get to the access to the. This one might be a little tough, but I can get to it. I'll be able to get to it. Alright, so I got all the circulators down the bottom down there. I reused it. He had two that were here, and I just added one that came with the boiler. And I added a check valve in the bottom of the one that came with the boiler, so all the check valves are here. All the purge stations are up top, 1, 2, 3. I marked, you know, first, second, and third floor. I labeled it with tape and marked it. And then on the supply, I came out here with a 12-inch piece. Came up, put the feeder here. And the ball valves right there. And it came up 1.25 inches to 190. I put an air scoop with a high vent and the tanks right above the boiler here. Then I took them old flow checks out, because I don't need them because there's check valves over there. So I'm going to turn it on and see if I got any leaks. I got to do the gas pipe yet, and the smoke pipe's going to go right into the chimney, and then the 3-inch is going to go in separate. So we'll see if we got any leaks. These should all be off. This is the test. Put a couple in there and 45s. Stand back, take a look. It won't look bad. You know. The relief valve's off this little manifold here. This is dripping. I gotta cut them two the same height, but you know, a little fine shit. I'm gonna do the gas pipe yet and clean up this electrical. I'm probably gonna put the control box over there, feeding all these. I got a three zone Contaco control right there. It's gonna go in probably over there and feed all the. All right, let's see if we got any leaks. Hope not. We got leaks, so we gotta fix them. I did put a high vent on the top there. Anything, some of this shit might leak up here, I'm not sure yet, but hope not. I took them all flow checks out. I don't really need them. We got them in the pump. Got them in the pump. There's 3 in the bottom of the pumps. Real leaker. It's a pretty good time here. It's still probably get out of here maybe at 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. I gotta purge all these zones yet. Well, I don't have any leaks. I'll let it fill and make sure I got no leaks first before I start getting too crazy here. I want to leave the pressure on it for a bit, make sure I got no leaks before I start purging. I got other stuff to do, but once I know I got no leaks, I'll start. I got more shit to do here before. I got more stuff to do before I gotta purge the air out. I'm gonna purge. I got 1, 2, 3 zones. Electrical's all done. All tied in. Should run. Guy's got all his thermostats turned up upstairs, so we'll see what happens. Give it a good douche. Give it a good. We'll purge all 3 of these zones good, and then we'll fire it up, see what happens. It should be fine. Gotta get all the air out of it. Long day. Yeah, come on, pretty good. I'm gonna give it a good, how you doing with the douche? Give it a good douche. I got the gas on. I got all purged all the zones. I capped everything. Should be able to turn on the power. I should be able to fire it up. He's got all the thermostats calling. That one there is the boiler. 9, 6. That should be boiler. So we're gonna pick up all my stuff here, but we can. Amp is opening. All 3 zones should be calling. Got the gas valve on. It is on. I can hear the pilot. Houston, we have ignition. I gotta pick up the rest of my stuff while this thing's heating up. And I'll have them turned down. I'll have them turned down one thermostat at a time. They should all be labeled. First, second, and third is 1, 2, and 3 is got 1, 3, and 2, but they're all 1, 2, 3. I got them all marked here with tape. Got them all marked up here with tape. Red. This one here is yellow. And that one's white. High limit set at 180, so I'm good with that. 15-degree differential. Heat request status. Domestic hot water's off. Flame contact, flame current. 1 hour, 0. This should be ready to rock. I'm gonna have them turn the thermostats down one at a time, make sure that they shut off. I think it come out good. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Looks good. Another fine job, Mama. I did cap all the purge stations. Should be ready to rock, Mama. Be ready to rock. Oh, good. You shut all the thermostats. They're all labeled properly. Come out good.